In this video, I will show you how to change the homepage title tag in Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store, then select Preferences. Once you're on the Preferences page, look for the title field under the Search Engine Listing section. This is your homepage title tag that appears in Google search results and browser tabs. Click inside the title field and replace the existing title with your preferred homepage title. Make sure your title clearly describes your store and includes relevant keywords. It's generally recommended to keep it between 50 and 60 characters so it displays properly in search results. After updating the title, you can also edit the meta description below it if needed. This doesn't directly affect rankings, but it can encourage more people to click on your website from search results. Once you've finished making your changes, scroll down and click the Save button in the top right corner to apply the new homepage title tag. That's it, your Shopify homepage title tag has now been updated. It may take some time for search engines like Google to reflect the changes in search results. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.